my channel. It's your girl Favy, and this is Chilling with Favy. If you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notification to get a notification whenever I post a new video. And guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair in 3 different ways, casual ways, look good actually. Yeah, so you can use this style to go out. Maybe you're going somewhere and you don't know what to do with your hair. I've got you. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So let's go straight into the video right now. So guys, you can see here I'm combing the hair properly so that I can be able to use the comb to divide it when I want to make this hairstyle. So I'm combing it and I grab my oil and I'm applying it to give it a softer texture so that it will be easier to use. Combing it again, so I grab my comb and I part it into 2 different segments. So parting it, I comb it again and again. So I'm trying to make it smooth and sleek according to the name, sleek two-sided puff. So it's into 2 dough, but it's not up, it's down, it's sleek. So doing the same to the other part of the hair. Yeah, so doing it, combing it to straighten out the side of places in the front. So I'm using my rubber band and tighten it. Then all you have to do now is adjust the hair properly. You have to give it that puff down there. So I'm done with this hairstyle. That's the side view down. Very simple to make. So guys, the second hairstyle is 2-part weaving. So as you can see, I didn't like comb the 2 parts that we used before, so I just recombed it and I'm braiding it down now. Yeah, 2-part weaving, so I'm braiding it down gently and slowly. Yeah, so that's how it looks like up front. So I'm going to keep braiding it, but I won't finish it to the end. I'm just going to leave the other part unfinished. So you're going to do the same thing to the other part of your hair. Just going to braid it. This hairstyle is very easy and very simple for a casual look or a casual outing. So yeah, if you're watching this and you have come this far and you still haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so I'm just going to take my rubber band and pack it. Yeah, so simple and short. It's very simple to do. Yeah, that's the back, the side view. So guys, this is the finishing look. You can rock this hairstyle with any outfit of your choice and any earring of your choice, but I'm picking the big earrings because it just makes all the hairstyle looks better, like seriously. So guys, the next hairstyle is high puff. Yeah, this is my favorite. Like, it's super easy to do, and you can see in all the hairstyle I've done, it was not really that hard because my hair is still in the same 2 cuts. So yeah, this is a high puff. I'm combing out the coiled up edges in my front hair. I didn't have time to put on edge control because I was going to be switching styles. But if you definitely want to kick off this hair, you should definitely try out the edge control. It makes the whole hair look so much better. Yeah, so I'm packing it. You have to take it front up, very high up, and you have to band it up immediately. Yeah, and create that puff. You're going to twist the tip of the hair and you bend it in, not fully. Yeah, just half, and you spread those things out. Yeah, boom, you have your high puff. Amazing, right? I know. And if you are still watching and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. So guys, yeah, that's the finishing look, and you see how mad it looks with the earring. I don't know, I just feel like this earring fits everything. Yeah, so the styles are pretty easy and simple to make and very easy. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then smash like, subscribe, turn on your post notification button to get my latest video, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section telling me which hairstyle was your favorite. For me, this is my favorite. I like this one because it fits me. I don't know, if you think this hairstyle fits me, leave it in the comment section. I don't really mention that, but I think this is my favorite. I like it. It's just simple to do, easy to do, and who doesn't like puff? I like it. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.